Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 15 stocks including Punjab National Bank, Indraprastha Gas, RTB Realty, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. KPT Industries Limited share is trading around rupees 955. KPT Industries announced a bonus in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 500 shares of KPT Industries, you will get 100 shares as bonus. So total you will have 600 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by KPT Industries. Styrnix Performance Materials Limited, Styrnix, share is trading around rupees 2,942. Company announced a dividend of rupees 31 per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 17th December 2024. AGI Infra Limited, AGIL, current market price rupees 1,798. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 100 shares of AGI Infra, your 100 shares convert to 200 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by AGI Infra. Shanti Educational Initiatives Limited, current market price rupees 191. Company announced a bonus. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Shanti Educational Initiatives. Indraprastha Gas Limited, IGL, current market price rupees 393. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Indraprastha Gas. RDB Realty and Infra Limited, share is trading around rupees 576. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by RDB Realty. Shish Industries Limited, current market price rupees 134. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 17th December 2024. PC Jeweler Limited, PC Jeweler, current market price rupees 179. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 16th December 2024. Punjab National Bank, PNB, current market price rupees 109. Motilal Oswal recommends to buy PNB for a target of rupees 135 per share. ITC Limited, current market price rupees 465. Motilal Oswal recommends to buy this share for a target of rupees 575 per share. IPOs. Supreme Facility Management Limited, face value rupees 10 per share. Price band rupees 72 to 76. Lot size 1600 shares. IPO opens on 11th December and closes on 13th December 2024. Base of allotment 16th December. Initiation of funds 17th December. Credit of shares to demat account 17th December. Listing date is fixed as 18th December 2024. Shareholding pre-issue 97.29% and shareholding post-issue 71.51%. Incorporated in 2005, Supreme Facility Service Management Limited offers integrated facility management services such as housekeeping and cleaning, disinfecting and sanitizing, staffing and corporate food solution services to other businesses. Its business is divided into two segments: integrated facilities management and support services. The portfolio of integrated facility management services. Soft services. This include housekeeping and cleaning, disinfecting and sanitizing, pest control, gardening and exterior building cleaning. Hard services. These are services related to electrical, plumbing and maintenance as well as managing power equipment like generators and UPS systems. Staffing services. This involves providing manpower or staffing based on the client's needs for various support services. This is the balance sheet of Supreme Facility Management Limited for the last 3 years. All the amounts are in lakhs. Sai Life Sciences Limited, face value rupees 1 per share. Price band rupees 522 to 549. Lot size 27 shares. IPO opens on 11th December and closes on 13th December 2024. Base of allotment 16th December, initiation of funds 17th December, credit of shares to demat account 17th December. Listing date is fixed as 18th December 2024. Shareholding pre-issue 40.48% and shareholding post-issue 35.1%. Incorporated in January 1999, Sai Life Sciences Limited researches, develops and manufactures small molecule new chemical entities. The company offers tailor-made services to biotech firms and global pharma companies. In the financial year 2024 and for the month ending September 30, 2024, the company provided services to over 280 innovative pharmaceutical companies, including more than 230 in that month alone. Among these clients, the company worked with 18 of the top 25 pharmaceutical companies based on their revenue in the calendar year 2023. The services were offered across countries such as US, UK, Europe and Japan. This is the balance sheet of Sai Life Sciences Limited for the last 3 years. All the amounts are in crores. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.